Hi, this is Eric with MarineMax in Westbrook, Connecticut. I'm going to show you some standout features on the Scout 240 Dorado. So this is Scout's 24-foot dual console. This one is the shark gray color with the optional fiberglass hardtop. One cool standout feature is the Seakeeper Ride trim tab system. So not like your standard aluminum trim tabs, these are actually high functioning. They move quicker than a blink of an eye to give you the absolute best ride, whether you have different weight disbursement up on the boat or depending on the conditions, it's going to give you the smoothest ride and leveling out your boat, giving it the best performance. We've got a Mercury 300 on this boat and the full walk-through swim platform, so you're not really stepping into a motor well. There's easy access on both sides to walk around, so you're not tripping up, and you can dock on either side. Ski tow pylon is on here. We've got the little entertainment spot for cutting board, sink, storage, and the Yeti cooler. And what's unique to the Scout 24 dual console is this fold-out table. So instead of having a separate arm and table to move in somewhere into the cockpit, that synthetic top actually just folds right into the side and can be stored out of the way with the reversible seat back, so you can face forward while you're dining or turn it around and face aft. Got a beautiful dash, acrylic dash with the Garmin screen, the black Edson steering wheel. And then just look at the frame of this windshield. This is handcrafted at Scout. It takes one person at the Scout factory that does all these. It's a 40-hour job just to hand create this frame out of fiberglass. There is an insert, so you can close off the front, and then there's a windshield insert. And Scout did a really good job of, you can fold it out of the way and have it lay across the windshield on windy days. Or if you're not going to use it, we've got this really nice storage spot in the head, so it's out of the way and you're still able to use the head. So beautiful design for a dual console. Scout, claims that they are a coastal fishing boat, but with all the beautiful amenities on here, you really feel like you're in a luxury dual console. The cushions that they use are excellent. Even if you do use this boat for fishing, it's easy to just wipe down with a wipe. We've seen some of the employees there use a ballpoint pen writing on the materials, and it just rubs right off. So it really is a usable boat for fishing, entertaining, and gives you that plush comfort that you're looking for leisurely rides. To see more videos on this boat and other Scouts, visit MarineMax.com, and our phone number here is 860-661-4761.